And next one is the unboxing of my smart garage hub. This is the I opened it before, but it's kind of hard, so I'm gonna put the phone down real quick. So this is what it has. I opened it before, didn't really touch it, didn't do anything. It's got a welcome kit, and it's got the smart hub itself. It's telling me something about Apple users, please see special insert for iOS installation instructions. So there's the special insert. So I guess I'm gonna need that because I'm an iOS user. It comes with a quick smart guide, a warning sticker. So I guess I gotta put that somewhere on my door. And this one is the door close sensor. Comes with this boy right here. You're only supposed to power it up with battery, then glue it on. And third layer is the power supply and a mounting kit. That's pretty simple. And that's about it. That's a power supply, mounting kit, and that's all it comes in a box. So we're gonna install this thing, and I'll show you guys how when it's done and linked up and all that good stuff. Again, this is Pinoy Tactical. Maraming salamat sa inyo.